हेलो गाइस, माय नेम इज़ शिवांग श्रीवास्तव और आज हम अनबॉक्सिंग करने जा रहे हैं 1 लीटर वाटर हीटर की। वी आर गोइंग टू अनबॉक्स 1 लीटर वाटर हीटर. लेट्स सी what we got and it is better or not. The you can see the unboxing here. We got it from Amazon. So you can see it here. Okay, this is the instant geyser CSI International and it's a warranty card. The packaging is not so impressive, but yeah, it's okay. And you can see the product here. It looks durable and we can attach it to the wall. We got some connections here, a pipe and some screws. You can see it. So we will test it later and then see will it work or not. Thank you.